Okay, so hello guys. So if you're wondering how to make a poached egg with a microwave, like when you're in college, you only have a microwave. That's what you get now. Okay, if you're wondering how to make a poached egg in the college when you have a microwave, it's just very easy. Just use your egg. You need half a cup of water. A small cup lah of water and one bowl. So first, pour the cup of water into the bowl and okay. Hope you can see me. Okay, crack your egg on a flat surface so the things won't crack off. Pour your egg into the water. Throw it away. But make sure that you don't spill it everywhere. The egg is in the middle. The water prevents the egg from exploding in the microwave. But I'll just, I don't want to risk anything. So if you're scared that you explode, you can just use a plate, small plate, not a metal plate, small plate like this to cover it. But actually you won't explode. So you just cover it like this. So microwave, you put this in. Sorry, I'm using my handphone so it's not so stable. So, and set it to 2 minutes. I recommend you to cover it with something like a cover like this, so if the water boils, you won't splash out. Yeah. Close it and set it for 2 minutes. But if you want the poached egg to be runny, you can set it to 1 minute and 1 minute and 30 seconds, or you can set it to 1 minute. But 1 minute I don't think it will be properly cooked lah, because it differs for different type of models of microwave. Mine is a bit weak, so I set it to 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, I'll be back. And yeah, it's gonna be ready. Still have 30 more minutes left. Oh, okay. That is just the air bubbles inside. Okay, let's just fasten it. Okay. So remember, it's actually quite hot. Okay, let's see the steam. Look at the steam. Okay, this is our egg. Hot. Okay, I'll just get some. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Oops. Yeah. So this is our egg. Our sandwich is toasting it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Bread's ready. So this two is cheese. It goes well with cheese. So one hot. Put the 2 cheese on top. Like this, and cover it on top. You want to get a fork to pick up the egg, because it does not let any water leave behind on the egg. You'll get the fork go under the egg. Be gentle with it. It's very fragile. So pick it up. Oh shit. Pick it up. And go on top. And flip it. Okay. So, oh my god. Okay, so it's perfectly done. I put it on top already. You may want to season it with some pepper. Which is, yeah, nice. Some spicy taste. Yeah, it's okay. So that's how you have your poached egg and cheese sandwich. It's very simple to make.